All right, so we have to put this filter inside. I'm going to pop this off, set it there. Then we look down in there, you can see that there's 3 little things. And this has got a little clip here, so you can see it's on there. So you're probably going to be putting it like that. I would imagine maybe with this towards the front. You follow me? Like we would drop it in like that. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Like that. So let me show you the bottom of it. So see how it's 1, 2, 3, and then we look down there, 1, 2, 3. If you read this, after the filter is correctly positioned, press it downward gently until you hear a click sound indicating a successful installation. Okay, I get it. So I think we can do that. Slide it down, right? I'm gonna grab this, and I'm gonna try to get that even with that thing right there, and then push. I think we got a successful installation. What do you guys think? Okay, so that's good. All right, let's put this back on there.